Today we've got this Xbox Series X in. Guess what's wrong with it? Yep, HDMI port. Let's get it apart and get it done. Wowzers. Damn! That's some major heatsink carpet going on there. Holy crap. The state of that. Jesus. How on earth is this not turning off? Yeah, that's nasty. Wonderful. It's going to be fun to take apart because it's going to go everywhere. Right, I might put my dust mask on, I think, because otherwise it's going to itch like mad. That's the main board block out, which is a bit filthy. Need a bit of clean down before we take it to bits. There we go. I've washed that out under the tap to get all the dust out. So what we'll do is we'll leave it overnight to dry out. Because it's getting late now, and then I'll put it back together tomorrow once it's dried out. So it'll be nice and clean now anyway. As this board's a complete a-hole to get hot because of how much heat it sinks. Just use some low melt solder paste around it, and then it will come off quite easily then. Because otherwise you'll just sit here just trying to get it off forever and it just never comes off. There we go, she's off. Comes off pretty easily like that, and you don't pull any pads either. So there you go. I'm going to leave that now until the morning and finish it off then, I think. Here we go. It's all done. So now get it back together and get it tested. Here we go. Nice and clean from yesterday, all dried out. There we go. Look at it now, look. How clean it is. It's like a brand new console. So just got it plugged in now, testing it. And we are alive and kicking. There we go. So get finished putting it back together and all good. Okay, we're on. Plugged in, back together. Actually cleaned out. And working. There we go. Ready to give back to the customer. So another successful repair.